Hi, good evening. My name is Patrice Jones, and this is my project. The topic of my project is personal finance tracker. In regards to just tracking expenses, income, how much you're spending, how much you're bringing in. For my first milestone, it is typically just to add, edit, delete transactions with the view balances and recent transactions. I'm going to be using at this time. I'm going to go over here. Quick glance at my README. The personal financial tracker is just a lightweight based personal finance tracker built with Python, Flash basically, and for the storage is CSV. My other milestone, I believe 2 and 3, will show how to manage it, the visualization, charts, graphs of the balances. But for one, we're just going to do add, edit, and delete and to view some transactions. So we're going to go down here, see add, edit, delete, category, categorize the transactions, food, rent, salary, shopping, etc. So now we're gonna hop into the code that I'm currently using, which will be my main and my transactions. So this is the main one. Let me scroll down. Oh, let me take that out. I had a few bugs that I needed to figure out what was going on with them. So I had to add that in so it could tell me. I'm gonna commit that back. Okay. So it didn't save. Oh, it saved. All right. I'm like, it didn't save. All right. So basically, we're gonna import the transactions. The window's gonna prompt, personal finance tracker. It's gonna add, view, edit, delete, and show the total, and then it's gonna exit out. So here, coding, if you pick one, then you're going to enter the number, then it's going to give you the prompt of it in the category, and then the transaction is going to list it as the amount and then the category. If you pick two, which is view the transaction, it's just going to give you the transaction that you just did. If you pick three, you're going to be able to edit it. So say you put the wrong number in, category, we're just going to say $100 for shopping, and you like, oh, I actually spent 125. So you'll go in, edit it, it'll prompt you, hey, which number you want to edit. Since you only did one, it'll be one, and then it'll say enter the new amount. You want to put the 125 there, then or if you want to keep it as 100 and that's not the part that's trying to edit or the category you're trying to edit, it'll pop that up for you. 4 is just viewing all transactions that you listed. It'll also be the amount and category. I'm going to later on add the date, year, month, and date to it. I had to remove it because it was giving me some wumpy numbers. 5 is just, again, the total. So it'll add all the transactions that you did. And then delete is just basically, hey, I don't want this transaction anymore. 4 is delete, so I don't want this transaction anymore. It'll delete the whole thing. 5 is the total amount spent, and 6 is just like, hey, I'm done with this, and it'll prompt you with the goodbye. If you do put anything in that does not go any numbers or anything like that, it'll give you that invalid choice and try again, and then close that out. So we're gonna go back over here. Transactions, this is the basic code that is being pulled to get all of that good stuff to work. So basically here, excuse me. So everything's going to be loaded to JSON is where the data is going to be saved. So once you do, once I finish my login registration, Every time you come back in, you don't have to keep inputting the same transactions. It'll save it to the JSON tab, and then you can go from there. So the different functions that I do have, save it, add it, view it, total, edit it, and delete it. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go ahead and call that up. This is my repo. Put my name in there. Gotta put it in right so it can populate. So now we're going to be loading out of my repo. So we're going to go here. We're going to call it in so we can run it. Make sure everything is good. Oh, it's still giving me that error. 1 second. I'm gonna delete all that out. Okay, go back over here. I'm gonna copy this and paste it. We're gonna save it, exit out of there. So we're gonna go back. Alright, so it doesn't pop that bug code up there for me. So now we're gonna hit 1, add in a transaction. We're gonna start for rent. I paid $1,200 for rent, so we're gonna put rent. I'm gonna hit 1 again. I paid $125 for my phone bill. Gonna hit 1 again. I paid $225 for my car notes. Hit 1 again. We're gonna do $225. I'm gonna say shopping. Let's say shopping. Shopping. All right, so we're gonna say, hey, 2. Let's view the transactions. So right here, you get a list of all the transactions I did just put in. And you say, hey, let's see the total that we spent. So to give you the total right here, if you want to go in and edit some things, so we're going to go in now. It gives you the prompt of which one are we editing. We're going to edit the phone bill, which is 5. The amount, we're going to say $225 instead of $125. It says you want to keep that category. We're going to hit enter because we're going to keep it. So we're going to go back to view them transactions. So you see that the phone bill is listed here and also listed here. So we're going to go back in and we're going to say 4 because we're going to delete some things. We're going to delete 2. So transaction deleted, 2 is no longer there. So we're going to view the transactions again. And you see it's just 1 phone bill there for that $225. I have 2 card notes for the same amount. So we're going to go back in, delete. Hey, we're going to delete number 5. That is now deleted. Go back in. Let's view them transactions. Now you're going to see 1 phone bill, 1 card note. Up, you can say, hey, my shopping is, something I just want to delete. I don't want to add shopping. So we're going to hit 4. We're going to go back and delete 5. And we're going to show that total. And then we're going to say, hey, we're done. Exit on out of there. Give you that prompt of goodbye. All coding works correctly. So I am going to just exit out of this. I believe there was a question I had to answer at the end of this. So sorry. Make sure it works. I hope it was in the correct size. If not, I will resubmit this. I thought it was a question I had asked. Oh, yes. At the end of your video, discuss your research and any hurdles you encountered during this development. Honestly,